The Sandpiper of California 2038 OCB Rolling Luggage Bag is designed to accommodate extensive travel needs with its impressive ability to expand and store a large volume of items. Its three-wheel system ensures smooth and stable mobility, making it an excellent choice for travelers who require reliable transportation of their belongings. The bag's main compartment can be unzipped and expanded to provide an additional 3,000 cubic inches of space, accommodating a significant amount of clothing and gear. Measuring 15.5 inches deep, 37 inches long, and 17 inches wide, the bag is spacious yet manageable for various travel purposes. Constructed with a simple yet effective design, this luggage bag is ideal for hauling an incredible amount of clothing, equipment, and gear with ease. The Sandpiper of California's attention to organizational features makes this bag a practical choice for keeping your belongings neatly arranged during travel.